In this video, we are going to discuss the most frequently asked questions related to common law admission test. One of the most commonly asked question is, what is CLAT? Well friends, CLAT or common law admission test is an all India entrance exam conducted by 19 national law universities in order to admit students in their undergraduate and postgraduate degree programs, that is LLB and LLM. What is the mode of CLAT examination? Friends, this year CLAT was conducted in online mode. Well, online mode does not mean that the exam is based on internet. Exam is conducted on an uninterrupted and secure computer based format using local area networks. Who conducts CLAT? CLAT exam is conducted by all the national law universities in rotational basis. National Law School Bangalore and LSIU, being the oldest of the lot, conducted the first ever CLAT 2008. Since then, all colleges have been given an opportunity to conduct this exam year after year. Last year, CLAT 10th edition was conducted by CNLU and CLAT 18 shall be conducted by Noals Kochi. Can I apply to all the national law universities using CLAT score? No. Friends, as of now there are 21 national law universities in India. 18 national law universities were part of the CLAT committee. National Law School Aurangabad also utilized CLAT score for admission. That means 19 law schools use CLAT score as admission criteria. National Law School Shimla conducted its own entrance exam, and National Law School Delhi has been conducting its own entrance exam called AILT since 2008. Not just that, many other private law schools have been using CLAT score for their admissions process. For example, Nirma Ahmedabad, UPS Dehradun, Narsimhanji Institute of Management Sciences, Mumbai. Last year, more than 24 colleges utilized CLAT score for their admission process. What is the age limit for appearing in CLAT exam? Well, this is a tricky one. Till 2014, there was an age bar of 20 years of age. A candidate from general or OBC category was allowed to appear for CLAT exam if he was under 20 years of age as on 1st of July of that year. And if a candidate belonged to scheduled caste, scheduled tribes or specially abled groups, then the age bar was of 22 years. Then a lawsuit was filed and court declared that there shall be no age bar for quality legal education. Since then, every year age bar has become a bone of contention between Bar Council of India and test takers. In 2017 itself, BCI came up with a new letter in which they tried to reimpose the age bar. Again, matter went to court, and even in CLAT 2017, the age bar rule was scrapped. But what will happen in CLAT 2018 still remains a mystery. So when in January 2018, CLAT committee comes out with its notification, we will have to check that out. What is a domicile certificate and do I really need it? Friends, domicile certificate shows your normal place of residence. So if you have been staying in a particular state for a very long period, you are considered a domicile of that state. It can be claimed on the basis of birth or on the basis of residence by getting a certificate from the competent authority. Many national law schools are providing state reservation, also called domicile reservation. If you are applying for any such quota, you will have to submit your domicile certificate. Students applying under other states category do not need to supply or submit domicile certificate. If you want to find out how to get your domicile certificate in your state, please visit this link. How many days or how many months or how many years do I need to prepare for securing a seat at one of the best law schools of India? Well friends, answer to that question would vary from student to student. It doesn't really depend upon number of days, rather it would depend upon your grasping abilities and your work hours that you put in. So if you are putting in 2 hours per day for all weekdays for a week, it is almost equivalent to putting in 2 hours per day for weekends for an entire month. But there are certain subjects which will require a longer duration of preparation, for example, general knowledge. As CLAT tests your knowledge, your awareness about things which appeared in the mainstream media in past 1 year, you need to capture that entire period. And the best piece of advice that anyone can give you on this question is sooner the better. The best time to start your preparation is always now. I am a science student. Will law be a suitable career option for me? Well friends, there is a misconception in the student community that law as an option is only for students from commerce or humanities background. But students year after year have been busting that myth. Look at All India Rank 1 in CLAT 2017. Even he is from science stream. Every year many students from science stream make it through the best law schools of India. 5-year integrated course was created in order to bypass a redundant law which required a student to complete graduation before applying for LLB. So now students straight away after class 12th can pursue their LLB undergraduation program. For that entire duration of 5 years, law school will emphasize more on developing your analytical and reasoning abilities, your critical thinking skills, and your articulation and logical thinking abilities. So friends, it doesn't really matter which stream did you belong to in your class 12th. Law schools are full of students from all the streams. That is the reason many law schools are providing combination courses of BSc LLB, also BLLB, BBLLB, BCom LLB and various other variants. Other than CLAT, what other exams shall I apply for? Well friends, although CLAT is mother examination of all law related entrance exams in India, CLAT score is useful for taking admission in 19 national law schools in India. Other than that, many private law schools will also use CLAT score as the admission criteria. But a good student should always remember to keep all his eggs in different baskets. That means don't rely on one single day or one single exam. You might have prepared thoroughly, but future is always uncertain. So make sure that you appear for at least 5 different exams. So there are a couple of good options available. A student can always apply for AILT, All India Law Entrance Test, which is the admission criteria for National Law School Delhi, one of the best law schools in India. You can also appear for MSCT 5-year entrance program for taking admission into all the law programs of Maharashtra, colleges such as GLC Mumbai, which was Asia's first law college, ILS Pune, Praveen Gandhi, Rizvi Law College and various other options in Maharashtra. You can also appear for SET Symbiosis Entrance Test for Symbiosis International University, colleges such as Symbiosis Pune, Symbiosis Noida and Symbiosis Hyderabad. A student can also appear for LSET. Law School Admission Test is a test conducted for admission into 76 plus private law schools in India. A student can also appear for IPU CET, IPU score Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University Central Entrance Test score is used by 9 law schools in Delhi region. You can also appear for Army Institute of Law Central Entrance Test. A student can also appear for Jamia Millia Entrance Test. There are various entrance exams available, plethora of opportunities available. For further details, rather suggest you people to visit this link. I hope you people got to learn something new. Thank you so much for watching.